Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to research stocks and companies. First, open Perplexity AI in your browser. You can start using it right away without a complicated login. Next, type a clear and specific question. The more precise your question is, the better the results will be. For example, ask questions like, what is Apple's revenue growth in 2025? Perplexity will provide a short summary along with links to sources. Read the summary to understand the main points, then review the sources. Check the publication date, the reliability of the website, and whether the information comes from official reports or articles. After that, open a few sources and compare the information to confirm accuracy. If the data is consistent across multiple sources, it is usually more reliable. You can continue your research by asking follow-up questions such as Apple's risks or comparing Tesla and Ford stock performance. Perplexity remembers your previous question, so it can give more detailed results. Finally, take notes of important numbers, insights, and risks. Use this information with other tools like charts or stock screeners. Remember, Perplexity is helpful for research and summaries, but always verify important financial data using official reports like 10K, 10Q, or earnings releases. That's it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.